Okay, son, you want to get bright? Okay, calm down. You getting a little too bright. Then I won't be able to see you. Oh, I'm having a little moment with the sun or whatever. Anywho, if you see the sun going up and down, it's because, you know, my lighting likes to play and I use natural lighting. So yeah. Anyways, and I say anyways a lot too. So get used to it. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kayla Shay. If you don't like what I gotta say, then you can hit the highway. Period. If you're a new subscriber, hey, how y'all doing? And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up to y'all too? Okay. Anyways, so this video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a how to start a business series. This is the first episode to my series. Basically this series is going to be explaining how to start your business at 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, however you want to say it, okay? I say okay a lot, and I use my hands a lot, so if you're not used to it, sorry, that's just what I do. So basically, this series is going to be talking about how to start a business at a young age. Period. We got to get our money, how we get our money, okay? I didn't have nobody telling me this stuff. I didn't have nobody telling me how to run a business or whatever. I had to look it up, okay? So now I'm telling y'all, I'm here for y'all. So if y'all have any questions, y'all can definitely DM me at Kayla Shay on my Instagram page. Oh, what's popping or whatever. But I'm going to use sunglasses as an example for this first episode because I would not like to let out my vendor. But after the first episode, I will definitely be using wow, the sun is really getting bright on me. I will definitely be using my business when I'm talking about what do you buy, how do you buy stuff, where I buy my stuff from, all that good stuff like that, because I ran like 3 businesses and like everything that possibly could go wrong, I knew, and it happened to me. So I'm gonna tell you, but I'm gonna stop talking so much. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see me more videos like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, the Kayla Shay Squad. You already know. Okay, anyways, but let's get into this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is a journal. If y'all see that? Do y'all see the way this is I love this journal. This journal have everything from my recent business in it. It has everything like tips and all that good stuff. Where I get my stuff, my vendor, my everything. When you're starting a business, write everything down. You have to write your goals down. I write my goals in here as well for my business. So I haven't released that business yet. The only business that is released that I am currently still in right now is my cup business. So if y'all want to check that out, I will leave that down in the description box on my Facebook page. I don't have a website for that yet, but eventually there will be. Just stay tuned, okay? So yeah, the first thing you want to get is a notebook. A notebook is very important when starting a business because you want to write everything down, your goals, your aspiration. Literally, I write everything in here. So if I keep looking down here, that is why, because I'm referring to what I wrote in here. So when you first start a business, the first step is to figure out what you want to sell, and figure out your budget for what you want to sell. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be using sunglasses. So say if I want to sell sunglasses, okay, what you got to do is go to Alibaba.com, or you can download the app. I have the app on my phone because I was on my phone showing you guys this. So, yeah, so I go to Alibaba.com or Alibaba the app, and I download it from the App Store. And then I typed in sunglasses. On Alibaba, if you type in like what you want to sell, it's automatically, some of the items are automatically wholesale. All of these companies are China and, you know, different type of overseas, so we can get it cheaper. Some businesses that you use, you're gonna need an LLC. Lashes, I know, don't need an LLC. Necklaces don't need an LLC, because when I looked up stuff, when I talked to my vendors, they didn't They didn't ask me for that. I love my vendors. Make sure you have a connection with your vendor. You don't want to just be communicating with anybody and y'all don't have no type of relationship. You want to, get to know your vendor, let your vendor get to know you, because you're going to be sending these people money. You don't know these people, okay? So that's the first thing. Get acquainted with your vendor. Okay, so as in the video, it shows me scrolling. You want to look for something that grabs your eye. Okay, so like these sunglasses right here. These grabbed my eyes. I love these sunglasses, even though I'm not selling them. But if I was to sell them, I would choose these sunglasses. So if you scroll down, it tells you like everything you need to know, the information, all that about the company, all the information you need to know. Some of it, sometimes they have their WhatsApp in it, but in order for you to get their WhatsApp, I don't like contacting through the Alibaba website. So I just use WhatsApp, which is another app that you need to download. I use WhatsApp. It's just better for me. So you send them an inquiry, however you say it, I don't know. That button right there that I click, you send that to them, and then if it's a different time, like when I did it, it was like, I can't remember what time it was, but it's up there. But if it's not around this time, like if it's 8 p.m. our time, depending on where you are, I'm on the East Coast, north, south, east, west. I'm on the East Coast. So my time is a little bit different, but if it's 8 here, it's 8 p.m. there, if it's 8 a.m. So you have to stay up late to contact these people. Sometimes they're up when you're up, depend. They'll have overnight workers, but yeah. So you contact them and send them an inquiry. When they send you, they'll text you back and you can say, hey, may I have your WhatsApp? But you have to create an Alibaba account. I meant to tell y'all that. Sorry about that. I'm leaving all the details. So after you do that, they will send you their WhatsApp, and then you will go to WhatsApp, type their number in under new contact, and you say, hello, something like, hello, I'm interested in your sunglasses. I have a few questions for you, and then they'll say yes. They'll message you back. I didn't personally message this person because I didn't want to false, try to if you ain't buying nothing, why is you talking to me? Why is you wasting my time if you're not about to, spend no money? So I wasn't about to do that because, that's kind of disrespectful or whatever, because I'm not about to buy no sunglasses, but I'm just using it as an example for you guys, okay? So I did send an inquiry. I did send the inquiry to him, but, yeah, it could be a woman or a man, by the way. Just want to let y'all know. So if you're not comfortable with, anyways, the next thing you want to do is ask them everything. Ask them, what kind of material is it? Is it do they last long? Can you send me pictures? They'll usually send you a catalog. You can ask for a catalog. So they'll ask you what you're interested in, but say, can you send me a catalog? Look through that catalog, and then you send them what items you want. If you want to sample them, you can. Sometimes they have a multiple quantity order, which means you could, some stores have 50, some of them have 2. I think this one was 300, and the other one I showed was 600. So it just depends on multiple quantity order. For my necklaces, the first time I ordered 50, I had to order 50, so I ordered 50, and then for the custom ones, I just ordered 1, so I can use it as an example, for you guys, because I didn't want to order a whole bunch of A necklaces, for example, and a lot of people don't order A necklaces. It don't work like that. That is different. It's different for different stuff. Like for lashes, you literally just buy the lashes you want, 50 of the lashes, or you can sample the lashes, or you can buy how many of the lashes you need to buy, period. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and another thing is how much is shipping, how long is the shipping, because that's something you got to get used to. You're going to be, buying stuff from these people. You don't want it to take a month for you to get your stuff, because then your customers won't get their stuff for a month. So inventory is very important as well. If you're satisfied, you send them the items that you want. You get the items, you receive them. If you like them, great. If you don't, choose another one. You just do the same process. And finding a vendor is not always easy. I know people on YouTube don't like to share their vendor, but people have to understand you don't want somebody selling, that's like you selling your sunglasses, correct? and somebody say, hey, who's your vendor? Why would you want somebody that knows you or acquaintances with you to sell the same things you're selling? And it's not they're being nasty. And I speak for all YouTubers who is going through this. Like, I watch Kyla Shea. I'm obsessed with Kyla Shea, okay? She inspires me a lot. So if y'all watch Kyla Shea, okay, so, but like Kyla Shea, some people get like nasty because she don't want to tell them a vendor. I mean, I wouldn't want to tell my vendor either, because there's people who copy you. She had an incident with a girl who was copying her, and like, it's just like, okay, come on now, like, why are you stealing her stuff? You know, even if y'all do have the same vendor, that's cool. You need to keep that to yourself, because it's just certain stuff you don't do, you know. So after you get everything situated with your vendor, that is like a good for you. You found a vendor you like, that's really good. That is the first step in starting your business. Knowing what you want to sell and finding your vendor for whatever it is you're selling. That was the first part to this video. The next couple parts of this video will be a lot more detailed, because I'll be showing y'all, like, my next video is I'm going to be designing my logo.
I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move.
The next step is to find your logo. I found what I wanted to sell first, and then I designed my logo after I tried out everything, because after trying things, you might get a vibe for something that you're selling, and then boom, you find your logo. The next episode is going to be about your business cards, your logo, your colors, and all that good stuff like that. I'm gonna be actually showing y'all me ordering my stuff, my business cards, and my bubble mailers and all that stuff like that. You want to buy stuff one at a time, unless you big baller shot caller. Like, some people can just go and buy everything all at one time. But if you're not big baller shot caller, the best tip that I can give you is to save your money and slowly buy the things that you would like to buy, if that makes sense. So yeah, so I work at Sonic and I work at Food Lion, and YouTube is my third, trying to be my third job. I've always worked and saved up my money for my businesses. I never asked my parents for anything, except for when I was younger, when I was 14 and first started my flip-flop and my bow business. I used my parents as an income. But now I'm old enough to work, you're old enough to work. Use your own income, so nobody can say you asked them for nothing and you don't feel like you gotta pay nobody back. So I just prefer that. Okay, your girl Kayla Shea broke it down for y'all for episode 1, okay, episode 1 of this series. Sorry, couldn't get it out. Yeah, so the next video is going to be inquiring about your business cards, your colors, things that you should be saving up to buy. I'm gonna give y'all a different couple of references of what I'm using for my business and all that good stuff like that, okay, or whatever. If you want to make this money and you want to learn how to get to it, stay tuned to me, because I'm gonna definitely be breaking it down for y'all, period. Okay, ain't nothing but money moves over here, period. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'll have a lot of more content coming up for this summer. So and if you guys have any video requests, comment it down below, and make sure you follow all my social medias. And your girl Kayla Shea, love y'all. Bye.